Toledo, Ohio, known as the Glass City, is a vibrant hub of industry, arts, and culture, with a scenic waterfront along Lake Erie and a strong automotive and manufacturing heritage. From local startups to established enterprises, businesses here need a strong digital presence to stay competitive. At Medium Interactive, we provide cutting-edge digital marketing solutions to help Toledo businesses thrive in the online landscape. From SEO and paid search to social media marketing and web development, we create data-driven strategies designed to increase visibility, drive traffic, and boost revenue. Our team customizes every solution to fit your business goals, helping you reach the right customers at the right time. Let's take your business to the next level. Contact us to grow your business with our digital marketing services.